Kitty likes to play rough. All I have to do is ignore you and you'll rub up against me like you want a pet. And then you'll attack me. Yeah, you know you're being videotaped. That's why you're not going to do it for me. You just want to play rough. You're too rough with me. You're too rough with me. You're too rough with me. Ooh, you're too rough with me. Okay, I'm gonna ignore you. I'm ignoring you. I'm ignoring you. See? These are your tactics. Rub up against me when I ignore you. Then flop over like you look like you want a pet. And then when I go and pet you, you attack! Oh, you attack! And you like it like that. You like it like that. You run away. And then you'll come right back. All I have to do is ignore you. And I'm ignoring you. Totally and completely ignoring you. Yep. Completely ignoring you. Back for more, hey? Here we go again. Oh yeah, rub up against me. Yeah, do the same thing. Flop over. Looking like you want a pet. And here we go again. Just wait. Oh, one pet. Oh, two pets. Oh, little neck scratch. Oh yeah, there's a nice little pet. Oh, but I can tell. You would rather play rough. Too rough. You're just too rough. Too rough. You're too rough with me. Now if I just ignore you, you'll come back again. I'm ignoring you. Yep, here we go again. You are bonkers. Bonkers, I tell you. Bonkers. Ow, I just want a pet. I just want to pet you. I guess I should work out, hey? Is that what you're telling me? Time for me to do my workout? I'm ignoring you. Completely ignoring you. Oh, you're such a tease. You are such a tease. Next, you'll hop up and then rub against me. Right? I'm ignoring you. Oh, there we go. Oh, you're just a bad cat. Oh, you're just a bad cat. She'd like it rough. She'd like it rough. Oh! Yeah, it just keeps going. She'll walk away and then she'll come rub my legs. But you know what? It's time for me to work out now. So, alright? Okay. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Facebook friends! Yes, if you're wondering what that is my ramp. I do lots of ramping.